In today's hyper-connected world, data is the engine of modern business. Organizations are rapidly adopting AI to drive efficiency, insight, and competitive advantage. As AI and digital systems become core to operations, the risk landscape is evolving just as fast.
AI has fundamentally changed the speed, the sophistication, and the scale at which cyber attacks are happening. So in the past, the hackers used to be very technical. They required time, they required effort, and they had to know the technical know-how, how to go ahead and penetrate a system. In the age of AI, that barrier has been lowered by autonomous AI systems that do not require the hackers to be as technical, and they can go ahead and have their black hat agent run autonomously in the background to go ahead and try to penetrate a client's organization. It's the autonomous AI agents that are actually working 24/7. And what they're also doing is they're actually developing and they're adapting in real time. For example, if they try to go ahead and penetrate a client's environment and there's a defense up, these agents are adapting pretty quickly to go ahead and find out a back way around that. And that's happening on an ongoing scale.
Small and medium-sized businesses are the backbone of the global economy, representing nearly 2/3 of global GDP. Yet they are also among the most frequent targets of cybercrime. Despite being held to enterprise-level security and compliance standards, many lack the resources, visibility, and continuous protection needed to keep pace with rapidly evolving threats.
The cybersecurity and compliance areas are enablers for growth. They are a necessity for the other parts of that framework to actually happen. Now, a lot of CRM systems obviously have incredible amounts of AI functionality. It's overwhelming for many organizations. And they've got agentic AI capabilities and operation teams to use AI, but no one is actually telling them how to go do it. And so there's a little bit of, I would describe it as like a lack of governance around what that actually means beyond content creation.
One of the issues that in play is that AI can work 24/7. We're not dealing with a person sitting behind a computer or a person trying to deceive you. But the other challenge that we're facing is that besides working all the time, is that AI is capable of being incredibly persuasive in terms of the types of arguments that it'll use, rational and emotional arguments, and its ability to adapt based on the nature of the conversation as it unfolds. So it's able to tailor the attacks, the ways that it's trying to solicit information from you based on how you're reacting to it.
While every wave of technology has transformed the way businesses operate, it has also fundamentally altered how risk emerges and spreads. Today, risk is no longer static or periodic. It is continuous, dynamic, and increasingly driven by AI, automation, and interconnected systems.
Cybersecurity has traditionally been securing data, securing intellectual property, keeping bad actors out. When you add more of the connectivity and you add more of the interface with the customer, you're adding more places where bad actors could get in and do things that you don't want to have. So for manufacturers, as the technology advances, we have to continuously monitor traditional machine guarding and equipment safety, now bring in the cybersecurity piece because of the different technologies and the different vendors that are all coming into one place. So it's no longer a once a year, once a quarter type assessment. It has to be a continuous assessment.
Now, AI-driven platforms are delivering continuous visibility, real-time risk detection, and actionable security, enabling organizations to not only identify gaps, but to embed protection directly into their day-to-day operations.
Fortellar was founded on a belief that is still not universally accepted in our industry, that security and compliance should accelerate your business, not slow it down. And we do that by helping organizations turn their security and compliance posture from a reactive cost center into a proactive competitive advantage. We've engineered what we call a unified execution model, an integrated approach that brings together cybersecurity, compliance, technology into one single coherent orchestration engine. Instead of those three separate functions creating friction with each other, you get one engine that drives security, compliance, and innovation forward simultaneously. Our AI-first approach automates the continuous monitoring, evidence collection, and control validation that used to require armies of consultants.
When a business is disrupted, the impact extends far beyond its walls, affecting employees, families, and entire communities. Bringing enterprise-grade AI-driven security within reach of growing organizations helps level the playing field, strengthening the broader economic foundation in the process.
We believe that security should accelerate innovation, not slow it down. The AI governance layer helps enable the security and compliance guardrails around the parameter where the organization can develop its AI strategy.
Secure AI activations helps businesses consume the AI technologies and the benefits of those in a secure and agile manner. The premise of secure AI activations is to help protect and deliver the outcomes with the right guardrails from a security and compliance standpoint. And the future I see is genuinely safer and stronger because of the security that's in place. And security is no longer a luxury, but a foundation into what it's built upon.
Businesses that operate with confidence in their security are empowered to innovate, grow, and lead, reinforcing the strength and resilience of the digital ecosystem while helping to build a safer, more durable future.